What's inside?
New toy surprise!
Sweet boat, Batman. Thanks, Superman.
It will be great for summertime fun.
That's true. Summertime is my favorite time of the year.
I love summertime too. Let's have a beach party.
That's a great idea.
We would like to have a truce for the summer and come to your beach party.
Okay, it's a deal. Who would like a ride on my bat boat?
I do!
Okay, let's take turns. Joker, Poison Ivy, Wonder Woman, and Green Arrow, you get to go first. Hold on tight.
It's a shark!
It's not a shark, it's just my boat. That's a nice shark boat. Thanks, you have a sweet boat. Thanks, have a fun summer.
You too.
Batman, the villains have stolen your boat. Do you want me to get them? Thanks, Superman. I have a surprise for these villains. I can bring my boat in with this remote control. It looks like you're going to spend the summer in jail.
Joker, you ruined our summer.
That was such a funny DC Super Friends adventure. If you like superheroes, give this video a thumbs up and share in the comments below the name of your favorite superhero. Let's take a closer look at our Imaginext DC Super Friends bat boat. It looks awesome and even has 2 cannons. We load the cannons and now they're hidden, but pop up when we push Batman down. Wow, so fast! Batman's blue suit looks cool. His head, arms, hands, and legs, they all move. And he has a black cape. And look at this, the propeller spins when we push the bat boat. So fun! We wish you a happy and safe summer from New Toy Surprise. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up another great toy together.